Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how to get bird giants. So first, go that way and go to the biggest, go to the man with upside down face. Go on it. Alright, there we go. Alright. It jumps higher and wins faster. So all you need to go is called Birdwatcher. Go to Birdwatcher. I think it's right here. Yeah, Birdwatcher. And all you do, you see this big bird? Get that! You see? Get that big old bird. Get the big bird. Now I can reset. Come on down. Come on down. Oh, and let's get that big old bird. Let's go get that big old bird, man. So I already need a Siren Head. Go to Siren Head. Alright, recording it. Go! You can see bird. And then look at me. Look at me. Watch what I can do. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, what is this? Opta? Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. See ya.